Good evening, everyone, and welcome to my technical analysis. Actually, I wouldn't consider this much of an analysis. Video is probably going to be less than a minute and a half long. I just really wanted to point out some of these rate hikes. We're expecting another rate hike tomorrow, and just wanted to point out, obviously, what we do is we study the past and hopefully try to make good predictions of what's to come in as far as price action is concerned here in the near future. With that said, I wanted to point this out here before tomorrow's rate decision. This right here was back in December 15th, 2015. That was the first rate hike. You had a big spike in the metals market. You had a rally from from December of 2015 all the way up to July of 2016. So tremendous rally. This really was the rally that took out all of those other levels of resistance. Back in December of 2016, this is your second rate hike. You had a big move to the upside. Again, you've rallied now you ended up rallying from here all the way up to 1263. So from the low 1125 all the way up to the high 1262 in a matter of 2 months, right? And you saw this move was from 1050 all the way up to 1375. Just a tremendous move. So again, normally when you see higher interest rates, you see higher dollar or higher currency, a stronger currency. But I think all the uncertainty is bringing money into the metals market. I think this experiment here is, I guess soon enough it'll either blow up in everyone's faces or they'll just have a bunch of gold and silver, right? But again, everything hitting all-time highs. NASDAQ trading at over 5,600. So again, this was the last rate hike here for December. This was the rate hike here for March, okay? And again, we rallied from March all the way up into April. Okay, we're seeing a little bit of a dip, and we do expect the market to continue to go higher, especially if they announce another rate hike, right? So this is what I'm expecting. I'm hoping I'm going to pay very close attention to the market. You can't just go crazy and just buy. I might pick up some positions here with obviously, something lightweight, so I'm not too exposed if it comes down to this level here. But again, you want to be very careful because if this trend line here breaks, then you could see a dip. Now, I'm not saying, if you notice here, the rate hike was actually right here. All right, this was the 15th. Right, so this was the rate hike here. The rate hike was actually on the 15th of December of 2016, and the market opened at 1242 and it closed at 1227. So again, a move of roughly $15 to the downside. Then we traded sideways, and then we had a market rally. Only in this instance that we had the market drop the same day, and then within the next few days come and pick back up. Versus back here on 2015. The market didn't move. It opened up at 1259 and it closed at 1259. We had a little bit of a move down lost about $10 the next day, and then it rallied up. So we could see the market, maybe people will respect this trend line. We'll have tight stop losses, maybe at 1234 or so, and then the market will take off. So again, looking for bullish candles is what I'll be doing. Okay. Good luck with your trading, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.